Hi there. Do you ever get one of them days where you do your driving lesson and you're thinking, do you know what? Nothing's gone right today. Keep stalling. Or manoeuvres, can't get it in the parking bay and we're reversing in. Or the parallel park, I'm either too wide or I'm mounting that curb when I'm reversing into the next to the curb. Have you ever got them days where you're thinking, why do I bother? Why do I bother? Because I know how you feel. I'll probably get one student a week feeling like that. Thank you. So I just want to let you know that you're not on your own. Sorry, you're not on your own. There's plenty of people out there who are having a bad day with the driving lesson, or even I suppose when you're checking your driving test where you just can't pass that driving test. So don't give up, just look at what's going on. Usually what I say to people when they're having a bad lesson is, next lesson it's going to bounce back. It's going to bounce back to the point where you're thinking, do you know what, I'm back to where I want to be. So or strip down to the basic stuff. So when you're missing stuff and your instructor's saying to you, should be doing this, should be doing that, then next lesson spend the first 10-15 minutes doing this and that, what they've said. Work on the faults. And just remember that you are learning to drive. You're going to make mistakes, there's no doubt about it. What you've got to try and do is just make sure that when you're making these mistakes, you learn from that experience and try and limit it for next time. And it also could be a couple of more factors which you might not have thought about, or you might have done, is how are you feeling? Are you feeling fatigued? Have you had a hard week? Or you've had a hard day and you're thinking, God, do you know what? I'm going to be tired on my lesson here now. You know, speak to your instructor about it. You know, tailor your lessons to suit you. You'd be surprised, it make a difference. Or if you're having a bad time at home, you know, or work, then that will affect. Oops, I'm changing mine there. That will affect the way you drive. So don't give up on your driving lessons. It'll come back to you. And remember, safe driving and good luck on the roads.